There we are again, Allskycam, Craigie, Australia, Western Australia, outside Perth. 22nd of June 2024, 4:01 UTC, Universal Time, or 1 o'clock in morning. No, 12 o'clock in morning. Western Australian time. Let's have a look, see what's happening. It's a bit cloudy. Peekaboo! I can see ya! Hey! War planet! You! There he is! Woohoo! Fifth dimension. From the fifth dimension or the sixth dimension. The Andromedian war planet that's protecting Earth from the incoming Dracos. Because, the Draco arrived at Jupiter, didn't they? And the Andromedians arrived at Saturn orbit. So they sealed off the entrances and exits to the solar system, by being in the Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto orbits. Because there's only certain ways. You can't go through planets, can you? If you've got a big spaceship, you can't go a big war planet. You can't get too close to Jupiter, otherwise you end up in orbit around it, just like you'd end up in orbit around Earth. We know all about orbital mechanics. Same as the Stargate thing with, if you can see it, you can mathematically model it, can't you? Like with the Stargate, the Star Door, it's like, well, what did they actually see? Well, they saw an expanding bubble, and then inside the bubble they could see another part of space, and if you stepped through it, you would actually end up in space. So it was a star door. But it's like, oh well, we know that, we know the physics for that. We can mathematically model an expanding bubble. Because all it is surface tension and pressure, fluid mechanics. We know how to mathematically model bubbles using fluid mechanics. The pressure and the surface tension, just like with washing up liquid. So we know how to do it. We just need the surface tension of the ether, which somebody did say they had a value for it on Google. But we know how to mathematically model. We know it's possible to blow bubbles. So it's not a problem. If you can see it, you can mathematically model it. No worries. Gotchas. Peekaboo. I can see you. You naughty little war planet. Woohoo! Woohoo! There they go. There they are. Look, the three amigos. They turn up. They like fight a spacecraft, don't they? Entering the war planet to see how much damage they can do. And they're trying to break it up. Look, crack it up. I don't know what it's made of, but it must be some kind of exotic material or made of light or some kind of exotic material that is obviously like 10,000 years ahead of us in terms of material technology. No worries. We'll see what happens later. Here we go, Warrensburg, USA, 22nd of June. Let's have a look if we can scroll it down. So what's happening? Cloudy. Oh dear. Big entourage. Here we go, war planet. Incoming war planet with entourage in a straight line. Looks like a war planet. One of these is a war planet. That's a war planet. Oh, that's its refraction in the sky, showing that it's there. Look at them all. They're all lining up in a straight line. Why do you think that is? Gravity, I think. Oh, you can see spaceships, look, protecting them, look. So just like an aircraft carrier has fighter aircraft that go around in circles so far out, so many miles out, to protect it from incoming enemy aircraft. Yeah, and also to search for other ships. Same here. They look like they've got a load of spacecraft flying around protecting the war planet and its entourage, all lined up in a straight line, from being attacked by any enemies. Yeah, space is full of what did the Council of Seven Lights say? Their local space station called Blaior. It's got 2 million fighter spacecraft in 4 quadrants. I thought he said 500,000 in each quadrant. But then they said they've got another space station called Shari. And then they said they've got thousands of other space stations all around the galaxy. So, you know, they're absolutely unbelievable. See what happens? Let's have a look at this one. Daelig. Next day, 22nd. USA. Let's see what's happening. Ooh, I can see somewhere. Whoa, they're at it again. Look at that, he's firing on him, look. They're back again next day. Yoo-hoo. They love a good battle, don't they? Absolutely amazing. See if we can see it down here, look. Yeah, you can see it there, look. It's firing on him. This time it looks purple, the light. It looks blue. Purple. Is it a laser or is it a plasma or even an antimatter? I don't know. But amazing. Let's refresh it. See what happens. Oh, we've got clouds, haven't we? Clouds in the way. Can't see what's going on. Aye, they're enjoying themselves. Battling it out. Amazing. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Meanwhile, down under, back in Australia, oh, you can see them, look, leaving. They've gone in and now they're coming out, look, our spaceships there, look. They've gone in, fired their weapons, and now they're leaving, look. You can see them going out, back out into space. The same golden craft, look, they look goldish colour. So they've obviously come in, done like a, what is it, an attack on the war planet, and made it pop, made its light expand, and now it's gone back out into space. Well, the others are all blasting. I don't know what that is, and I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. They're blasting somewhere. It's all happening. Yoo-hoo. Okay, what the photon is that? He's attacking somewhere. I don't know what he's attacking. Is it an invisible war planet? But he's attacking somewhere. And then these are flying off, back out into space. There's this thing down here. Just amazing. It's all happening.